Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, welcome to Introduction to Canva. I'm Muhammad Afi Haikal bin Zainurin, your instructor for this subject. Before we begin, there are three things that you must do. For the first, please install Canva in your laptop or tablet. Second, check that you have a stable internet connection. And third, decide on the design that you want to ensure a smooth designing process. Let us begin first with some brief history of Canva. Canva was founded in Perth, Australia by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Albright, and Cameron Adams on 1st January 2013. In its first year, Canva had more than 715,000 users, and 6 years after, they launched an enterprise product, and in the same year, Canva announced Canva for Education, which is a free product for school and other educational institutions intended to facilitate collaboration between students and teachers. Now, I will explain how to sign up to Canva. Now, you are at the homepage of Canva. You have to sign up to Canva, and then you can use it. There are two ways to sign up to Canva: by using your Gmail and manual, which is you use your personal information to fill the sign up form. It is easier if you sign up to Canva using Gmail because your Gmail have been connected with your devices, so you do not have to set up your name and password again. If you do not connect your Gmail to your device, you have to fill the sign up form and use the information in the sign up form to be set up your username and password. After sign up, it will show the main page of Canva, and from that you can see the interface, and you also can see the design that can be edited in Canva. When you click create a design, it will pop up to you the type of designs that can be edited by you. When you are at the main page of Canva, you have to scroll down and you will see the recent design that has been edited by you.